Welcome to New Mexico. It's been pretty windy out here for the last couple of days. I wanted to fly my drones. I got a chance this morning to fly one of my Avata 2s and even a tiny Neo while it was calm, but the winds have picked up again. Here comes Smokey. Hopefully he won't try to get my drone. Anyway, I've got a Neo 2 here on the porch, and we're going to take it off and sneak over to the pond and see how well we can operate. Oh man, boy, that wind is gusty today. Let's just get out of here, get some clear air. So the winds are, according to my weather station out here, about 14 miles an hour with gusts to 21. I put survey flags all around the property so I can just at a glance see how the wind is doing. We'll go over here on the back side where my pond is and see if we can sneak up on whatever waterfowl's there today. I've had a lot of mallards and other ducks come in. Let's see. I do have some decoys on the pond to kind of bring them in. So we'll just go over here, and this is a little trail that I go around every morning with my dogs. Let's see how well we can navigate, and hopefully we don't crash today. I like the Neo 2. It's a very light drone. It's more stable though than the Neo, the original Neo. And what I like most about it is the waterfowl around here doesn't seem to be too concerned. I've been able to fly right up on ducks. That's a branch. There's some ducks right there. Let's see what we got. I'm not real good at identifying them. If anybody in the comments can tell me what those are. There is a mallard right there at the back. Mallard Drake. And that wind is really ripping over there. We're not going to spend a lot of time over here. I just wanted to come to the pond and see what we had. So let's get up and out of here. We're going to go up into the wind, and it's going to bring me back pretty quick. I'm just camping out here on my porch today with as much wind as we got. So I'm going to bring it in, and we'll go ahead and land it and call it good. Oh, boy, it landed pretty rough on that one. But let's see if we can stop.